Here is another problem in SoloLearn in the course of C++, which is called game map. Let's go. Before we go, subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important and useful videos, and press like if you like it and share it with others. Let's go now to SoloLearn. This is the project. We are continuing to, and we have 3 hertz here, and this is, you have to practice this and solve this project. So you can go to the next step in SoloLearn course of C++, and here give you this multidimensional array. So it's in multidimensional array, this on multidimensional array, multi-dimensional array. It's a very, very important concept in programming. In all high-level language programming, there is a multi-dimensional array and array, and so let's go here and complete this. You are making a game. The map of the game is defined as 2-dimensional array which stores 0 and 1 values, the binary code. 0 corresponds to the area of the map that is free, while 1 represents a player on the map. It's like a chessboard, but instead of the black color, there is a player. Okay, so the task here, the task take 2 integers as input. The first represents the row and the second the column, then output the corresponding value from the map array. So it's very easy now. First of all, we have to define two integers, integer x, and let's copy and let it, this is the x coordinate, and we have another integer which is the other location of y coordinate, and then we ask the user, let's ask after array to enter the x and y. Cn here x, and then enter y, sorry, okay, 2 values. You can see out a message here, see out here, enter values for x and y, and this is a message, so it should be in double quotations, and then the user will enter x and enter y, and then we will out the position or the case of the, if it's 0 or 1, so C out here, and we have the map, Control C. So this map of 7 rows by 7 columns, C out here, and they change here instead of the dimension x first and then y, and don't forget to put the semicolon. We forget it here, we have to put semicolon here. So we will run now. If there is a problem, the problems will appear here. Okay, yeah, so there is some problems here. So let's go check, enter values for x and y, expected output, your output, expected output 0 here. So we have to neglect this message. Okay, run again, it's working, we are on the fire. Thanks for watching. If there is any problem or any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with others, and press like if you like it. Thanks for watching the video.